Start your day with these mouth-watering breakfast tacos with fluffy scrambled eggs, crispy bacon, and creamy avocado. First, chop the spring onion, chili, and coriander leaves. Dice the bacon into small pieces. Combine eggs, spring onion, chili, salt, and black pepper in a bowl. Fry the bacon in a pan until they are crispy. Over medium heat, pour in the beaten eggs. Gently scramble the egg until they are soft and fully cooked. Build the breakfast tacos by adding the scrambled eggs onto tortilla, crumbled bacon, diced avocado, a dash of Happy Valley mozzarella cheese. Melt the mozzarella cheese using a torch and sprinkle fresh coriander leaves. I personally like to add more Happy Valley Parmesan cheese. All done. Enjoy!